Meta were listening to AI conversations to personalize ads. So we've known for a while that Meta's main source of revenue has always been ads, and they make a lot of money for it. And this article they do say that, as noted by UK's Open Rights Group, 98% of Meta's 165 billion of revenue in 2024 came from advertising, resulting in net income of 62.4 billion. Now, in order to increase this number right here, the net income, they're deciding to go to find a new source of data, and that will be in the AI. And they released an article as of yesterday, October 1st, improving your recommendations on our apps with AI Meta. And key takeaways here, according to them, is we will start personalizing content and ad recommendations on our platforms based on people's interactions with our generative AI features. We'll start notifying people about this update on October 7, 2025 via in-product notifications and emails several weeks before it goes into effect on December 16th, 2025. And with tools like ad preferences and feed controls, you can continue to adjust the content and ads you're seeing at the time. Basically, they say that they will be mining data that you're providing while using their AI app, and at the same time they are still giving you an option to basically minimize how much they are collecting or which kind of ads they'll be feeding you. And in the article it does say we are also using Meta AI and our other AI features to improve your experience on all our platforms. We will soon use your interactions with AI at Meta to personalize the content and ads you see, including things like posts and reels. They recently also announced an app called Vibes. There's this article here introducing Vibes, a new way to discover and create AI videos. And this app is basically going to be videos created with AI. So I'm guessing part of this data might be used if you start using Vibes. Anything that you mention to Meta AI will be collected, all that data, and used to personalize ads for you. And here it shows an example of the notifications that people will see starting October 7th. So this you'll see it in Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and any of the other apps. In this section where it says better recommendations with AI, whether it's voice chat or a text message with our AI features, this update will help us improve the recommendations we provide for people across our platforms, so they are more likely to see content they're actually interested in and less of the content they are not. This is more like trying to fix a problem that they created. If you remember the early days of Facebook, you only saw posts and interacted on posts of people you followed, not some random stuff that the algorithm used to throw you. And it was really nice at the time because you only saw things that you cared about, people that you followed, pages that you actually liked, things that interested you, not what the algorithm was recommending you. And Facebook was organized at the time, so was Instagram. It was really easy in its early days, but these days all these algorithms, they just messed everything out, and now they are trying to fix it with AI. And they go on to say, for example, if you chat with Meta AI about hiking, we may learn that you're interested in hiking, just as we would if you posted a reel about hiking or liked a hiking related page. As a result, you might start seeing recommendations for hiking groups, posts from friends about trails, or ads for hiking boots. So they're just enhancing data collection with AI. It's not exactly something new, it's just that they're now taking it from a different platform. They're getting all this data from a different platform, from Meta AI. Before they were getting it directly from the apps from Facebook and Instagram, WhatsApp. But now, since they launched their AI, they are going to be mining data from, so it's just another revenue source. And they tell you you're in control. I'm not sure about that when it comes to Facebook, but anyway, whatever they say, you may believe them if you want. With tools like ad preferences and other feed controls, you can adjust the content and ads you see at any time. That is nice if it actually ends up working. Additionally, you can choose how you interact with AIs, either with your voice for hands-free convenience or via text. If you use your voice, you'll see an indicator light that the microphone is in use. We don't use your microphone unless you've given us permission and are actively using a feature that requires a microphone. Now, this is more of a device privacy feature. I know on Android and iOS this works. The first time you launch an app, or when an app requires permission for the microphone or the camera or location, asks you to grant a permission either one-time use or while using the app or never. And this is what they're referencing here, that if you use your voice, you'll see an indicator light. It does show up in the top right corner on Android, close to the clock, where the clock is on your phone. You'll see that tiny green bubble. Same thing on iOS. When people have conversations with Meta AI about topics such as religious views, sexual orientation, political views, health, racial or ethnic origin, philosophical beliefs, or trade union memberships, as always, we don't use those topics to show them ads. I have a little bit of doubt on this, because if you remember the 2016 elections in the United States, Facebook was heavily used to alter people's political views. If you remember that, there's a lot of influence from Facebook on how that election turned out. When it comes to sexual orientation, there's always been groups that attack transgender people, not just on Facebook or social media, but all of these things. Racial and ethnic origin has always been a problem on social media. You got philosophical beliefs as well. Trade union membership, I'm not so sure, I'm not familiar with it, but I'm guessing something like that also exists. Religious views, that is everywhere. And the end is we use information, including interactions with Meta AI, across Meta company products from the account that you choose to add at the same account center. So this is in the settings, how many of their products you have connected. If you have your Facebook account connected to your Instagram account, connected to your WhatsApp account, this is what they're talking about. This means, for example, that if you have not added your WhatsApp account to an account center, interactions with Meta AI on WhatsApp will not be used to personalize experiences across different accounts on Meta company products. It's like an opt-out. The less information you provide, the better it is for you. If you only use Meta AI on Facebook and you haven't linked your Facebook to your Instagram account, they won't be able to get that data. If you use it on Meta AI, that's how I'm interpreting it. And it ends with, we'll start to use your AI interactions to personalize content and ads recommendations after these changes go into effect on December 16th. We are rolling out these changes in most regions, and we hope to offer these more personalized experiences everywhere soon. So they will be mining more data from your interactions with AI. And it's interesting, as I say, more than 1 billion people use Meta AI every month. We are continuing to improve the way our AI products are relevant to understand your goals and help you accomplish tasks. So this is a lot of data. They are going to be getting a lot of data from that. 1 billion people, that is a lot of users. So that's all for today. If you like the video, comment, like, subscribe, and see you on the next one.